In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom meetings to Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have the official Zoom for Outlook add-in installed and ready so you can add Zoom links to your calendar invitations in just a click. First, open Microsoft Outlook and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is the main toolbar at the top of your inbox, and it's where Outlook keeps most of the tools you use every day. If your Outlook opens to a different tab, just click Home to switch back. Next, we'll install the add-in. On Windows, look along the right side of the Home ribbon for a button labeled Get Add-ins. On a Mac, you'll see a button labeled Store. Click that. This opens Microsoft's Add-ins window, which is like a built-in marketplace where you can safely add features to Outlook. In the search bar of the Add-ins window, type Zoom for Outlook and press Enter. You're looking for the official Zoom for Outlook add-in published by Zoom Video Communications. Selecting the correct one matters because it ensures full compatibility and ongoing updates. When you find it, click Add. Outlook may show a brief permissions prompt explaining what the add-in can do, such as read calendar details to insert a Zoom meeting link. Review that information and confirm. The installation takes only a moment, and you should see a success message when it's done. As soon as the add-in is added, Outlook will prompt you to sign in to your Zoom account. Go ahead and sign in using your usual Zoom credentials. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose the SSO option and follow the on-screen steps. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as well. You might be redirected to your web browser to finish signing in, and then brought back to Outlook automatically once the connection